nice store. I've never been here. Oh, this might be it.
Why are you in the corner? What are you doing?
I need to get down. I'm stuck. Somebody help me.
Bunch of haters out here.
Uzi, you might lose for your board being borderline unskateable.
Here we are with Mowgli eating a Quiznos sub. We have Glow eating tacos. My tacos are gone. I am Nigel Jones. And Uzi is balancing a water bottle on his head. Welcome to REI, Skate Everything Wars. I'm on Uzi's team.
The best team.
And then Glow and that guy are together.
Can you explain the rules for those of us who have
Snacking team.
people who have
What
not
are the
seen
rules? You gotta get something
For the
and make it into
opposing team
for
to
the
skate.
opposing team to make them start that boo doo doo.
Exactly.
And then you got a wing wang shilittle bop bop. And then you got a woo bop boo bop beep beep.
$100 limit per team.
$100 limit per team. Got it? Has to have a nose and a tail.
Do you think I should rip this bottle in half?
No, I don't think you can rip that bottle in half.
No, I can't do
Yeah, I feel like he was getting there actually.
My traps. They're burning.
Okay, oh, and you have a 20-minute limit in the store.
20-minute timer in the store once we go up there. Are you ready?
My shoulder.
I think he's sandwich, middle of sandwich.
Mogs, you ready? Uzi, can you wait? Okay, I'm gonna start the timer now. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Siri, can you set a timer for 20 minutes?
Okay.
Let us begin, friends.
We have 20 minutes.
Whoa, I want door handles like this on my house.
Take access.
Yo, straight up, dog. Let's go here.
Well, you and Mowgli together.
Should we check?
I like how you almost fell.
I really almost did. Take the canoe off the rafts, right? Rip.
What are you saying?
I don't know. I'm malfunctioning.
Malfunctioning. Oh, this is closed, bro.
Oh yeah.
Wait, let's go look at boots though. Maybe we can get him boots. All the good stuff's downstairs.
Ow.
What?
How do people make stuff like this and sleep on it?
I don't. How do you get to it?
Yeah.
It's floating.
I
Skills.
would not sleep like that.
Skills.
Can you imagine? You roll over, fall 5,000 feet. I don't know what's 5,000 feet.
There's
tall?
nothing up here. We
Let's
have to go
downstairs.
downstairs. All right, what you thinking?
I don't know. It's hard to like process everything we're looking at here.
You're not. We're going for the small. Come on, let's
No
look at
backpacks.
some good stuff.
There's just so much stuff. You gotta like slow down. How much are these? Probably
Over the budget.
we can afford. Okay, okay.
Yo,
They have to be over the limit.
200.
What? But they look so sick.
Are there cheap ones?
Snowshoes? Is that what these are?
Yeah, I think so.
60 bucks. I feel like they would break, but like you feel them. But they like are so unique. We've never done that. You just drill trucks into both of them. We have screws.
Like rollerblades.
Like skates. That'd actually be funny. Then it'd have a nose and a tail. Look.
True. I guess that's it.
I wonder like there's nothing else they could have got. What is that? What is this?
What? How much is this?
I don't know how you would put trucks on it. I don't know what this is. What is it? Rock climbing? Maybe it's to make your fingers stronger. You just is it?
Yes.
You just hold on to it?
Yeah, it's for the wall.
Glow, you and Mowgli are together.
Has to have a nose. Has to have a tail. Nose, tail.
What is it made out of?
It's a training board. But look how heavy it is.
Oh, no, we can't skate on this.
We
Oh,
won't
what?
skate on it, but they will. Potential. It's a pretty nice store. I've never been here. But
Yeah,
this
what?
one's longer. Look.
Oh, dang. Don't know how you're gonna get trucks in that.
That's true.
You should be pretty awesome. No, that's kind of too much board fill. We need more bulkier stuff.
We
You
can go.
might want to grab one so they can't steal it.
True.
Or it's
Alright.
gonna jack up their boards.
So if you lay this over the board, and then you just make the holes where the skateboard is, you could.
Yoga mat board?
Yup.
I think it would be better with these.
Yeah, it'd be more interesting with this. I guess we're good. Is this a real rock? 59.
Ooh. Okay.
95.
Perfect.
All right. Well, then we make Nigel wear one on his flip foot and Uzi wear one on his flip foot.
I wonder what they
That's fair.
That is fair.
That is very
Perfect.
fair. Let's get the kayak and put the wheels on each side.
You've done that.
Oh man.
What do you think?
I don't know. I think it would break the park.
Huh. So you found what we left for you.
No.
No, we were just looking at it.
Wait. Hold up. Wait, no, honestly, I think we might have an issue.
Why?
As the mediator of the video, let me see.
Is it the same thing?
I think we might have gotten the same thing. Let me see.
Is it though?
Is it the kids' snowshoes?
You can't take our idea.
You can't take our idea.
Well, we were actually downstairs first and got them before you did, so it's alright.
That's not true.
Find something else.
You don't even know how we were gonna put it together.
Yeah, you don't know how we're gonna put it together.
Are you gonna drill it to the board?
No.
No.
That's cheating.
Oh, you guys didn't pick it up because it was the only one you left. Oh no, there's another pair.
No, but I'm saying they have a different way of putting it together.
That's
No,
true.
you guys are gonna have to wear it while you skate on your regular boards for us.
What?
Oh no, I'm not doing that. It's gonna ruin my grip tape. I just put a board together.
That's not even skate everything. That's just shoe everything. I think Gabe's bending the rules to his way.
He is bending the rules to his own way.
I think we might hit him with the lock.
Look, if we put one on this side and this one on the opposite side, nose, tail, on the wood.
Yeah, pick one.
Damn.
They do have a point. They're gonna actually put trucks on theirs and skate it like that. And if that's the case, I'm gonna let them have that, and you guys have to pick something else.
Well, that was
'Cause
turn events. real quick.
their idea is a lot more inventive.
Well, but looks like we're gonna get more inventive. That's a word.
You can have them skate a piece of wood.
You could shove it on this.
Will that break? Is it brittle?
If you put the truck right here and then right here.
You think it'll work?
Maybe check out like they have a thicker, stronger piece. I don't know.
Oh, this might be it. It even got grip. This is where the trucks go, and this is our grip tape.
Solid.
Why are you in the corner? What are you doing?
What is over here?
You know what? Let's get the rock. Whatever.
How do we even put stuff
You're just gonna drill.
the reason why I wanted to is because our idea of putting this together is way better than his. Like,
I know.
You go like this, you put one like this, and one like this, and like you screw them together, and you gotta skate like that. It's like a board. Let me at least tell him.
Yeah. No, you can have it.
Okay.
We're gonna get something else.
All right then.
That's what you're gonna.
We put some grip on this side for you guys too.
All right.
Where did you even find that rack? I don't know.
All right. Well, are we good then?
Yeah.
I would not take that wood if you're gonna burn it.
We're not gonna burn it.
We're gonna skate it.
I mean, you can't buy the wood.
Oh, you can't buy the wood?
No, that wood is like not merchandise.
Oh, that's decoration.
Wow.
Dang.
Just killed our idea. Y'all got lucky.
Let's keep looking.
We thought we were gonna win. Mobley went missing, and our idea went down the drain. There's our teammate.
Hey, you find anything?
They made us put the wood down because it's not sellable.
I know.
What?
Absolutely ridiculous.
Hey, but I kind of found this. We
How
could
mu-
just screw this.
Dude, that is $269.
Dang.
You got the tag for those?
What did I tell you?
What do you mean? You dropped it?
Mm-hmm. It fell out. Let me switch you.
So then, I guess the only other thing you can get is the thing on the ground over there.
The original idea.
Alright, let's go.
Is that the one?
Yep, that's the one. Let's get it.
That literally, that's like the only other thing.
We're getting this one.
Oh, there's more?
There's more.
Yeah. Alright,
And it has
which
truck
color?
holes.
All right, so we're all good to go.
We are good to go.
This.
Here, Dan.
I gotta film that and make that the beginning of my edit.
Every single edit.
Got us a nice board for these guys.
Well, we made it, fellas, but we're missing one.
He had to go get himself a vegan cookie.
Are you kidding me?
No. He literally got
He literally just ate Quiznos like 10 minutes ago.
Big sandwich too.
All right, well, we're gonna go to Fremont Skate Park now. All right, teens.
All right, listen up. We out here in the snowy deserts of California, where it's snowy and deserty. We got here some green snowshoes. I don't know if I have them on the right way. I suspect that these are not for my size foot, but I had to try them out before we turn it into a skateboard.
Oh, that doesn't sound good.
You gotta get a grip on stuff. I think these are tree climbing shoes, actually. I need to get down. I'm stuck. Somebody help me. I'm stuck. 911. You guys are lucky. I'm about to give you a great skateboard. I don't know if this is going to work. Oh. I don't know what's happening here. So
It's looking good.
I think this might be a fail.
How are you gonna do this, Dan?
I told him in the store
pretty,
it would
okay?
not work.
Hey, look, it's working. It's not pretty, but it's
You
working.
can't reason. I was like, all right.
How are you about to tell me it's not gonna work? Look, it's working perfect. That doesn't go anywhere either. There's one screw holding it in. That's all we need. That's all we need. That's all we need.
Look how crooked that thing is.
I'll correct it like this. Look it. See, it's crooked like that. Counter correct it. Let it be known that I was trying to give them the best board.
Dan, you honestly believe that's gonna work?
Yeah? Why wouldn't it work?
Can you at least secure them together a little better?
What you mean? Secure? Oh, these?
Yes, so they don't fall apart.
Yeah. It's gonna be good. You hating on me? You're hating. Bunch of haters out here. Oh, it's not gonna work. Oh, it's not lined up. Watch. Screw, screw, double, layer. It's like a lasagna. Solid.
Sounds solid, Dan.
The tail is not.
I think that's gonna break and you guys are gonna lose very easily.
It's medium solid. It's like driving an old car.
Can it manual?
Doesn't quite have the technology, but it's nice to ride.
Wow.
Could be worse.
You guys are done already?
Yeah.
And you really got one good truck, one bad truck, and you left the zip tie on there?
Dude, yours is more janky than ours.
What do you mean?
Wow.
You got one good, one bad, and a zip tie? Ours is solid all the way around.
Anyways, this board right here, I have faith that it will break before yours, and that's okay. We're just here to have fun.
No.
Is
Get
there
right
a,
into
no,
the
I'm
game.
saying like there's a way to hook the
want-
trucks onto something
wanna
and then
do
see
the
if we can
paper,
like
rock,
hold it.
No.
Finger, grab it. That's what it's used for.
Honestly,
Rochambeau?
your board is beautiful.
Cool, they go first.
One thing I would say about this board, it looks like this, okay? It looks like put your foot here, this is the tail. I think you want to put your foot like right here. This
Hey,
is-
wait, did we ever find out what this is for?
It's for holding on with your fingers.
Literally, you
Finger strength.
you put it into a wall and
For
then
rock
it's
climbing.
For rock
finger
climbing,
strength.
right?
Yeah,
Okay.
you get your fingers
Really?
stronger.
That's why I say, can we hold the trucks up somewhere and try and figure it out?
I feel like
Oh,
a knight
wow.
handing over Excalibur.
No.
Oh wow, that's not sketch.
Oh wow, that won't get you.
Just don't put your foot in there.
All right, now, are you gonna roll down the bank?
Yeah, because this thing's sketchy now that it has... Where are the screws at that stick out? I'm trying to avoid them.
Wow, that sounds so quiet. Wow. All right, it was your trick. Wow, look at that steez.
Definitely did not make us a nicer board.
Hey, what are you doing? Launching it into the bushes over here.
Balance on this.
Bro, I just manually it across the whole park.
That's false.
I'll do it right now. I'll ride that thing over there right now.
That's the letter for you guys.
Ugh.
Easy. Easy.
Good luck.
Oh!
I think you had that.
Oh, and no! My creation! Hey, if it broke right there, that was not our fault.
Redo. Or no? Alright.
What?
I didn't see any lift.
No, that didn't
Oh!
Landed for 3 seconds longer.
That was more than 3 seconds.
Hey, you try to ollie the snowshoes ollie you back.
I'll allow it.
Alright.
Oh!
I'm actually surprised that thing
That's
didn't
possible.
explode.
I'm so scared.
That's an S. All right, Mowgli, or Glow, your trick.
Let's do a little shove it.
Shove it.
All right, manual the green again.
Wait, isn't it Nigel's trick?
All right, Nigel, I got you on a trick. Manual the green. Yeah! Ooh! Got it!
Yeah, look at how good that board is. How well it can manual.
That was skill. That board, you could barely even ride on this board.
That was it.
That was
it.
perfect.
I was not being dramatic. Let me explain why. I had to be in a perfect position, and this thing is ridiculous. So I need to be in perfect position for perfect balance.
Does our board have a strap to hold your feet in?
I didn't use the strap.
No.
I'm going down there.
That's not even big.
All right, now you. Oh. All right, down this bank.
Smooth.
All right, this side, Mowgli. Oh my gosh, this is a lot bigger than
Hold my hand.
I got you.
This might be the last time you ever.
It's been an honor, Mogs.
All right.
It's been an honor.
I don't want to.
All right, you're good. Full send.
Ready?
I don't know the capabilities of this.
Oh!
Whoa.
Look, hold on. I don't want to run in. I don't want to run into no one.
It's all good.
Hey, it's the same as that bank.
Oh! Woo! I think that counts. I think that counts. That was the send.
All right.
Don't count it?
Yeah, don't count it.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I want to play fair.
Play fair.
Yeah.
That's an A.
It's unskateable.
Is it my trick?
Yeah.
Roll in.
Our board can't do that.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm taking the letter.
I cannot do that at all.
Oh no.
Uzi, they
oh,
say
no.
it's not doable.
If it's doable, show us.
Oh, it's too hard.
Yeah.
Stop rock. There was a stop rock.
Nice excuse.
It's possible. I almost had it.
I have respect for him. He actually went in. Bad one.
All right, so that's T. Oh, that was nice. Very nice.
Want me to try? I'll try one. You try one?
Oh!
Right here, Mobley. That's all right, T.
Hey, it was a good game.
Yeah, they set us up for failure. It's all good.
I just want to show everyone what else was possible besides roll-ins. Flipping into grind. Didn't even land it. So in the beginning, whenever I picked this up, I felt like it was gonna be really weak. Let's see if the board me and Glow chose, and that did not mean to make that rhyme, Glow, Cho. So anyways, let's see if it breaks. I'm gonna early grab off the 5 and see if it's strong.
Compensate for the weight, brother.
There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below of who you thought built the better board. Team Uzi or Team Mowgli. Leave it right down there, and we'll see you tomorrow.